Welcome to this section on Xamarin.Android layouts and the basic UI. First, I'm going to show you what linear layouts are and walk you through layouts in general. Linear layouts are the foundation of all of your AXML files. Then, we're going to look at relative layouts and how they're different from linear layouts. Relative layouts give you a lot more power, but with great power comes great responsibility, so I give you a few gotchas and things to watch out for in those. Then I'm going to walk you through text views and edit text views. Edit text views allow your user to enter some text into a box, and it's a standard control that most users expect when they're using an Android app. Then we're going to do a little manipulation of those text views, transferring text from an edit text over to a text view box, and things like clearing texts based on some button pushes. Then I'm going to set you a task, which I call Slow Text Mover, where you're going to transport text letters one by one from one box to another on the click of a button. I'll give you the solution to that following that task. There are a couple of extra little niceties I'm going to talk about in this section, the primary of which is running items on the UI thread of your app. That's the thread that takes care of the on-screen elements and interaction, versus running things in the background. And there are important considerations for these, which we will come across when we talk about the task and solution in this section.